little girl, picked her up from school early, and we're riding through downtown Springfield, Pearl World, where she was raised a little bit, but brought the 78 out to go see Mama. She says I'm terrorizing people.
You are!
I told her, I said, get used to it. That's what I was born to do. Terrorize and be destructive.
Don't be a Richard.
Me?
Don't be a Richard.
Ask my mama.
I don't even see Nana. I'm not bothered by it.
I know.
Oh, we're at Main Street.
Yeah, that was quick, wasn't it?
Yeah. That ain't the long way. You lied.
Front view of. Oh, that was the camera. Fuck it. Play on this side. We're gonna ride through downtown, down Main Street.
Terrorizing people. I still hate the noise of the back things.
Yeah,
Aren't you gonna fix that?
yeah. I'll fix it.
Soon?
Yeah, soon. Buy another rear end.
That ain't my problem, that's yours.
They tore down that old school that was over there. Your brother used to go to school there.
What school was that?
That's damn, you had to ask me. That was the school that they called the cops on me because they closed the fucking gate and locked it and called me and told me I needed to come get him like right now.
You closed and locked the gate. We can't come in.
I told them to call the cops, take a picture. I didn't give a fuck. I'm going to get my fucking kid. You can move or get run the fuck over. One or two.
There's a KFC.
Yeah.
I'm just pointing out random shit.
Yeah.
It's fun. Oh, my hair's flying. You were like, what the hell? Why does the truck sound like that?
It only does it above 20.
Guys, let's go. Guys,
Technically, you're supposed to fucking treat it as a four-way stop. But nobody else is, so I ain't.
oh, not our problem. Whee! Really, 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 guys? Really? Nah, I would never do that.
Yeah. So, the guy that it was, he used to own that Waffle Mike in Mike's Cafe. He used to be a police officer. He also owned and rented that AA automotive shop right there. I don't know if he still owns it, but I know the retired police officer who used to own it. He used to be a police officer back when he owned it, so like I said, I don't know. Fred Cotton's Barbecue. It's nothing like the original Fred Cotton's Barbecue, but it's still pretty good. Then you got Catlin. They do like automotive accessories, bed liners, step bars, fucking wiggy waggy lights, toppers.
That reminds me
tailgates.
of Caitlin from Arcade.
Except for that's Catlin, not Caitlin.
I know. It's similar. Just put an eye in there. Caitlin.
tell a motherfucker that she's lying.
Hey brother, can I buy a cigarette for you?
I don't smoke, dude. No. Hey, the only thing I smoke's tires.
You're scared the poor guy.
We don't smoke cigarettes. Just tires, bud.
No, but it's funny.
I thought about it.
We should be getting close.
We are.
Good. We just need to get to Laura. Where's the Harry Potter album in the library?
It's not a library anymore.
No. That sucks. Oh, there was a really bad accident, and Miss Amy had to go through a subdivision just to get around it.
Yeah.
Both times, when she was coming to get us and when she was going to get other kids from Dinsmore. Monroe.
Now we gotta go to Adams. I won't be too obnoxious down here because I know that the sound rattles through these buildings. People's outside talking. I lied.
Bro, you made him what?
Fuck the news. You want to be outside filming, motherfucker? I do too.
We already are.
I know. But you're gonna have to deal with my motherfucking ass.
Terrorist! I'm telling Mom! Shit.
I'm already heard coming.
Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Rest me. She's outside.
Yeah.
I see her. Right there.
Yeah.
Right over there. Right over there.
Yep, right over there.
Whee!
Come on, green means go.
Please.
Now,
No.
tired of waiting.
Run it, I don't care.
I can't. I end up running this old lady over that's crossing the street right now.
She might want to hurt you.
About a dude on the bicycle. 10 points for a crying speed bump.
No.
Oh, why not?
It's not funny.
It is funny.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's fucking hilarious.
Why is there a school bus? Oh, yeah, there's a school here. Where'd the woman go?
She Houdini, dude.
She said Houdini poof. I'm out. Oh, bye. Literally. You just stole a car.
Damn sure did. You gotta do what you gotta do. Parking ain't free.
I swear, if we get a ticket,
We ain't getting no ticket.
you just stole the goal.
Damn right. Stole the cone. Moved it out of my way. It's alright.
I'm telling Bob.
Nah, brother.